What's up, you all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and I'm a lash tech of 5 years. On this channel I do a lot of lash content. You will see a lot of lash with me's. I will try to do a lot of informational videos in regards to being a lash artist and what it's really about. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I edit my lash photos. I do have a video that I put out that was around last year, and that was an older video. This video today will be an updated video on how I edit my lash photos, what apps I use, and just everything about, you know, editing and why you should edit your lash photos. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right on into this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video if you enjoy what you're watching, and then comment down below. I will comment back as soon as I can. So without further ado, we're gonna get right on into it. So the question that you may have at hand is, why should I edit my lash photos? What if my client doesn't want to have their photos edited? How do I get my clients to take photos? So first of all, I would like to say that, you know, your Instagram page or wherever you promote your business, whether you use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, social media in general, for your business is going to be the quickest way to get clientele. That's the quickest way. Other than word of mouth, your social media presence. So you want to make sure that you have a clean social media that is only dedicated to your lash extension business and you as a lash artist. I like to include photos of myself on my lash page, which is featured. You all make sure that you are following my lash Instagram page. I'll link that down in the description box below, and I also have that somewhere in the video. So anyway, nonetheless, you want to make sure that your Instagram page is clean, filled with all of, you know, your best work, okay? And sometimes a little bit of filter editing and a little bit of natural, you know, editing. We don't want to make them look cartoonish or not like themselves, but a little bit of editing your photo and taking good photos, high quality photos at that, would make your pictures enhance and more appealing to the eye. So this is all about making our social media presence very clean and making it a bit of an aesthetic. Okay, that's what you want. You want to go for like an aesthetic because, you know, your social media is your portfolio for your business. It should showcase your best work, and nothing is wrong with a little bit of enhancement. So as far as like your clients getting comfortable with taking the photos, I always have somewhere in my booking site, which if you want a video on how to create a good booking site as a lash artist, then let me know, because I will definitely you know, share information in regards to that. But so yeah, as I was saying, I apologize. So once it comes to, you know, your clients and making sure that they're comfortable, I like to have it somewhere noted on my booking site that prior to them booking an appointment, photos will be taken. I always notify my clients of that. Photos will be taken. If you are coming and, you know, this has to be a mutual agreement that photos will be taken. I don't think I have ever had a client that has said to me, I don't want my photo taken. No, I always express to my clients how I would love to take their photo because I feel as though this will show my work and this is a part of my portfolio. I feel like I did a really good job on her eyelashes, so let's take photos. And I always, you know, let them know that it's only going to take about 5 minutes. I try to take videos and photos, and with these videos and photos I'm able to not just showcase my work as far as photos go, but I use them to go into reels, which helps me gain more Instagram followers and helps me gain clientele. So like I said, have never had anybody have an issue with their photo being taken. So now we are going to be getting into the apps. Okay, so I have just recently been discovering that I do not mind using what iPhone has to offer. So if you have an iPhone, we already have a, I guess, built-in photo editing feature. When it comes to like viewing our photos, you have a way you can just kind of, you know, go ahead and edit. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get my iPad out so I can kind of show y'all. So hold on. As I was saying, if you select a photo in your photo gallery and press the button that says edit, and it's in the top right corner of the photo, down below you'll see these features that I'm kind of sliding over. You have different features. You have an auto edit, you have exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation, vibrance, warmth, tint, sharpness, definition, noise reduction, and vignettes. I don't know if I said that right. I don't know what that is. I don't use all of these features. I kind of just eyeball it. Let me turn my brightness up a tad. I just kind of like to eyeball and see what it is that I guess I want to edit. So, you know, exposure determines how bright the photo is, and I might just kind of like play around with it and just kind of, you know, see what looks best. Like I said, I don't really use this often, but brilliance, you know, I might use brilliance. It kind of does like darken up the work a little bit. Highlights, not too much on the highlight. You know, I like a really natural edit. I don't like anything that looks super, you know, fake or anything like that. Shadows, no, I don't need any shadows. Contrast, I'd rather not. I just kind of play around with it, and once I find something that I'm okay with and that looks, you know, appealing to me, then I'll just kind of stop. Like, I feel like I'm gonna end up stopping right now. Like, I don't really, so yeah, we're done right there. See, and this is really neat because the photo, I don't really have to edit anything else on this photo. Everything looks good. The lashes look dark and, you know, very full like I like. It kind of did add a bit of an enhancement to the lashes, but other than that, yeah, we don't want to do anything else. So I'm gonna just go ahead and not edit this any further. Okay, so now Facetune, yeah, Facetune, I'm sorry. So Facetune is an app that I like to also use. I use this app sometimes, but like I said, as of lately, I've kind of been liking what the iPhone built-in feature has when it comes to editing that I just previously showed you all. But Facetune is good as well, you know, when it comes to wanting to soften different things, because like I said, the pictures that you post on your business page on social media, you want to make sure that all attention is in the eye area. So sometimes I have to probably soften their skin a little bit, and when I do soften my clients photos on their, you know, their skin, and, you know, try to cover up any type of blemishes or anything, I use Facetune. So Facetune is completely free. They do have different types of features that you could pay for, but I don't recommend that, because if you're not someone that uses the app like that, then you don't really have to pay for any additional features. This for free version should work just as good. So I like to go ahead and select a picture. Let me find a picture. Okay, here, boom. And like I said, I don't pay for Face app, so I like to go on and retouch the photo and just smoothen out the skin. My client already has pretty decent skin, not really many you know, marks or blemishes that we have to kind of cover up here. So I just use that, a little bit of that, not too much, because you don't want the photo to end up looking cartoonish. So you can kind of bring and you know, slide the toggle button slide it up and down on how, you know, well you want that to be, I guess, blemished out or softened. Sorry, softened up. So I kind of, you know, this photo really doesn't need much editing. Yeah. Lastly, before I end this video, I do want to talk about, you know, what I use to take my clients' photos, how I recommend taking client photos, things of that sort. When it comes to taking pictures for your clients and, you know, for your social media presence or whatever, you want to make sure that the background is clean. What I mean by that is not too much in the background. You know, if you have a little bit of something that is aesthetically pleasing with your, you know, lash space, lash studio, whatever, and then yeah, you can capture that. So, you know, a background like this is cute, like the pompous background. I have this room divider. This happens to be from Amazon. I believe I spent probably $69 something on it. It's a little bit up there, but you know, something like that, or dental bibs. Have them lay down on a lash pillow, or if you don't have a lash pillow, you know, just have them lay back on the bed, and then you can put a dental bib underneath them. They have them in all different types of colors. I like to use white because my camera tends to pick up on, you know, the quality, and it doesn't wash or, you know, fade my client out. So a white background looks better when you're trying to capture photos. Also, I like to use a ring light. I will link the ring light that I use down in the description box below. But the ring light helps get that studio effect. I know that there are some people that have the studio lights, and I want to get the studio lights eventually. I've been, you know, looking at the studio lights for quite some time now, and I'm like, I should go ahead and purchase them. But right now I've been using my ring light, and it's been doing me justice. So, you know, the studio lights are definitely a step up, which, like I said, I will be purchasing very, very soon. So the studio lights can be found on Amazon. I will link them down below, the ones I've been eyeballing. But as far as anything else, you know, you really don't need. But other than, you know, the dental bibs, I like to take my photos in 4K. So if you have an iPhone, jot these things down. For iPhone, we do have a 4K feature, and when it comes to taking videos, and we have a RAW feature, which is the good too. I like to do the flash. It really just depends. I'll either do a couple with the flash and a couple with no flash. And like I said, when it comes to filming videos, when I film on my iPhone, I like to film everything on my iPhone, then go back on Instagram or go back on, you know, YouTube, because I do create shorts as well. So I either go back on those other platforms and edit, like, you know, the video itself, the reel, the TikTok, whatever it is. I noticed that it makes the quality different, because when you film on these apps, sometimes the quality is just not there. So if you film on your iPhone and then use the apps, whatever app you choose to upload on, you can use their editing feature. It looks 10 times better. Same with CapCut. CapCut is another app that I like to use to edit not only just my lash stuff, but my videos as well, my YouTube videos for y'all. But other than that, that's pretty much it when it comes to like everything. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Like I say, don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed what you watched. And as always, I will see y'all next time.